Welcome. In this YouTube video guide, I will show you how to use Sublime text, and I will show you the settings, some common settings and functions that you will use most of the time, and some other settings that is not popular but that will come in handy. So let's start. We have in this menu bar, you can see File, Edit, Selection, Find, New, Go to. Hope I don't have to tell you how to open and create file. You can see another video on how to create files, open a folder, and etc. And also, if you don't know, okay, I want to show you something. Let's say I did this. So I have a plugin installed. That's why it automatically added this back tag. Okay, so if I use Z, if I want to undo this, I wrote this. So if I want to undo this, I will use Z. Okay, see, because that was automatically added. So the automatically added tag was undoed by CTRL-Z, or you can undo it by, okay, let's say, okay, again, you can undo it from here, CTRL-Z. Now, how can you redo things that you undid? Let's say CTRL-Z, which is Control-Z in your PC. I did this. Now I want to redo this. So again, CTRL-Y. This time Y. If you want to redo it, CTRL-Y. But this thing is, let's say, if you delete it manually, if you want to redo it, just use CTRL-Z. It will come back. If you just play a little bit with this shortcut keys, you will figure it out by yourself. And I don't have to tell you how to copy things. Let's say you want to copy it, and copy it like this. Copy and then paste. Or yeah, this is the most. No, this is not the most effective way to use this copy paste. This is really time consuming. If you do it like this, edit, copy, and then like this, edit, paste. Don't do it like this. Or you can use super fast way. Use Control C, and then I used Control C, and then in the next slide I will paste it, Control V. Okay, let's use CTRL-Z to undo those things. Okay, it's not undoing, it's undoing and redoing things. So it's complex. It's not complex. Like, if you use it, you will understand what it does and when it will redo and undo things. Okay, now let's see what I can tell you right now. So in preferences, you will find themes. You can use this default Sublime theme, but I like that one. Go to the theme, adaptive themes, preferences, font size. If you want larger font size, okay, let's tell you something. So I have a tag, I'm writing a tag, okay, like this. Now if you want to make it bigger, or if you have an eye problem, you can see small letters, you just do it like you press the Control and plus to make big, and Control minus to make it small. Okay, I use it a lot when, okay, I don't use it a lot. As I'm making this video, I made it bigger. When I wasn't recording this video, it was like this. So you won't be able to see it clearly. That's why I just made it big like this. It's too big. Okay. Now from preferences, you will find package settings and package control. So you use package controls to install packages. Here you can see package control, install package, enable package, list packages. You will find other options in handy. If you need them, you can use one of them, but most of the cases I use package install. You see package install package. I use disable package, enable package. If I want to disable or enable packages, I also use remove package to remove any package. Let's say, where is the remove package? Add channel, remove package, store package, enable package, install package, list packages, remove repository. Where is it? Remove package. So if I remove package, so here in the preference tag you won't find this control, package control, when you first download it. You need to enable this package control. You have to install this package control to install the plugins. So how do you do that? Let me uninstall it. See, package control, these are the lists, these are the packages, these are the plugins I installed, like auto close HTML text, like I showed you here. HTML, I write HTML this tag and that tag is automatically added, the end tag. You have complete, I have complete PHP tags, CSS3 tags, HTML5. These are all for auto, you know, they auto complete things. They also suggest various properties of CSS, or you can say the methods, functions of PHP, these individual plugins. So if I remove it, I'm removing it. So removing package, you can see here. Okay, it's just it flashed here and it said removing package. So if you want to, let's show you. So here you can see that package control. How do you add it? Go to the tools. No, okay, yeah, go to the tools, and then to find that option here in the end, you that I showed you, go to the tools, and then add, and then click on this install package control. So once it's installed, it will pop up here. Okay, the message showed up, like I said, package control was successfully installed. And then go to the preferences, go to the package control, and install package. When you install package, you will see package, a list of packages. So you can add your package or the package you want, the package you want to work with. Just name it like HTML. If you attribute, if you add this package, the attributes will auto-complete, attribute completions. HTML Beautify, a plugin for Sublime text that formats, indents HTML source code. It makes code easier to human read. Okay, you can add any of the plugins you want. So another thing, if you click here, this window will not close. So go to the preference, go to the package control, preference, package control. Okay, that's how you close that window. So I want to show you another handy settings. This settings, this is the last one I want to show you. Maybe the last one, maybe not the last one, because I forget a lot. I just forget things in a whim. Let's make it small. Right, okay. Now I want to show you an interesting settings. No, not like that. HTML5. Okay, I want to autocomplete it. Now, if I'm writing PHP, if I'm writing PHP, it's not. It doesn't have to be PHP. It can be anything. PHP. Okay, PHP. And I'm gonna write a variable or two variables. Okay, let's not talk about PHP. Let's talk about something else. Let's say I have a div and the class is no, not like this. Dot should I use this thing? No, let's use PHP. That's complicated. So in here I will write a variable username equal to something this, and I closed it. This looks really dull. Okay, I want to show another before showing that. Settings, important settings, not important but interesting. This thing is really blank. This is not like red, red, yellow or green one. If you want something like this, go to the HTML and then select PHP. It will change the syntax. See, now it's colored. Now the username is white, the assignment operator is red, and the value is the string. It's yellow. Yeah, you can do it by here. You can go to the tools, and no, not tools. Okay, wait, let me see. I told you that I forgot a lot. So go to the view, go to the syntax, and you can use all these things. Or you can go to the also, okay, no, not layout. Where? Okay, what I was going to tell? Yeah, if you, that important setting that I wanted to show you, and the reason why I wrote this line of code, let's go to the edit, and not edit, selection. Okay, fine, let's go to the find. Go to the find and use find, or you can use the short key CTRL-F. Find. Let's use CTRL-F. Okay, it's pre-written here. I need to delete it. So suppose you wrote you wrote 500 lines of code, and you want to change a variable name, but you couldn't find it. You want a variable name. You want to know where it is. So to find it, you just use, if you remember the name of the variable, just use the name, username. And even if you couldn't find it, if you could guess, it will show you this this highlighted area, so you can find it easily. If I write another username, it will highlight it as well. It will highlight it as well. See? Okay, wait. S username. Okay, let me put it inside the PHP tag. I don't know why it's showing me this. Okay. Username. I don't know why it's not filling this yellow bar. Why it's not filling yellow, why it's not showing yellow, highlighting. So you can use it. You know why I showed you this, you know. If you want to find something, just use it. Even if you want to find the link or RE, see, relations, or also you have this one, or you want to find edge. Okay, if you don't have anything, it won't show up anything here. Or you want to find the tag, HTML. See, you have the HTML ending, an ending tag. Okay, no, it won't work like this. It only won't work like this. Okay. So if you there is another thing. Go to the find. If you want to replace something, if you want to find, okay, find this one. I want to find my username, and I want to replace it with something else. So let's take name. I want to replace this variable name into this variable name. So replace it. Okay, you just replaced it with the name variable. So this is handy. You can use it. So this is all I want to show you. Sorry for my bad English. This is my first video, a video tutorial about the Sublime text in my life, and I'm not really. I'm also a beginner programmer, so I don't know those advanced things. If I learn it, I will surely share it with you. Thanks for sticking to this video.